Yeah. The cylinders go around.
Huh?
The cylinders go around. 1, 2,
Probably.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Pratt and Whitney.
Yeah.
A lot of airplanes were built down in Long Island. That was a big place for them.
How are you? I'm just about ready to open the canopy if you'd like to get some more footage.
Sure.
I'm just, you know, we had some pre-sips. I'm just wiping her down.
Okay.
So this is a North American T-6 Texan. They built 15,000 of these during the war, and just about every World War II pilot had spent time in one of these airplanes. And a lot of people believe, rightfully so, that it helped win the war.
Why is that?
Yeah.
Well, without this airplane that was made by North American, it did such a wonderful job training everyone so that they could prepare for something like the P-51. So they worked really hard at making the controls fly similar. So very special because not only is it one of the flying T-6s today, but this was also a Wasp airplane. Are you familiar with that story?
No. Oh yeah, Wasps. Yeah. That went.
They were the lady pilots.
For lady pilots that
deliver airplanes.
That deliver airplanes from the.
Mathematically, there's less and less World War II people around by the day.
I think that most of them are in the high 80s and high 90s now.
Correct. And so one of the things I was going to show you was, as we've been able to help take care of this airplane and share it, we'll meet some people on the road because we go all over the country who actually were Wasps. And this is a real Wasp airplane that we've restored in the paint scheme and everything to her original livery in 1943. So when we're fortunate enough to meet some of the ladies who flew in the Wasp, we had them sign the airplane.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to wipe the other canopy and then I'll open it up for you.
All right, thank you. That's nice. So the ladies that flew this actually sign it. Wow. That's so nice.
Yeah.
Like a picture together or anything like that, I
sure.
can take care of that. Let me get this airplane open up. Let get some fresh air in there. Last night's little rain.
Yeah.
Let the airplane breathe a little.
In my 20s, I started taking ground training, and I just knew I couldn't afford it.
Oh, yeah. I understand. Absolutely. The wing is really slippery, but if you want to use your camera.
Thank you for the narrative.
Yeah. Would you guys like a picture in front of you?
Sure.
Okay. Tell you what I think, are you all family together?
Yes.
Okay. It's a great idea having that cord on there. I lose mine. It's frustrating. So I think it would look nice if you guys want to come up over here. Around the wing.
Oh, we're gonna come around the wing. Yeah.
On the other side?
Yeah, by me. And then, ma'am, if you could stand right here. And is it okay if I put my hand on your shoulders?
Yeah,
All right, so I'm going to move you in over here. And then I want you to take your arm up over here and face toward me. And then, sir, if you want to come in, you say, do you guys are family?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Act like you like each other.
We do.
All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it.
And then if you guys want to stand right about here.
Mm-hmm.
You'll look like you're too close to me, but you're not. We'll be able to see your smile
Okay.
and your airplane and everything. Perfect. All right. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. See if those look okay. And if not, we'll do it again.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thanks, Matthew.